thank you for purchasing a Café Dishwasher Drawer designed to fit seamlessly into your beautiful home. Your drawer is Wi-Fi Connect enabled, and it's highly recommended that you connect your drawer to Wi-Fi to receive notifications and software updates for unmatched performance for years to come. Through the Smart HQ app, go to the Wi-Fi section of the menu for a simple walkthrough to get started. There are a variety of cycles to choose from in your new dishwasher drawer, so be sure to check the user's manual to find the right cycle for your needs. You should periodically clean your filters to ensure full functionality of your dishwasher drawer. Simply remove the filter, rinse it under clean water, and replace it as needed. The best detergent to use in your new dish drawer is powder detergent. Place a scoop into the detergent dispenser and close. Liquid detergent should not be used in this unit. If you want to use a detergent pod instead of powder, you can simply place the pod into the silverware basket before starting the cycle. We recommend using a rinse aid. When the red light is on, the rinse aid compartment is empty. As mentioned, be sure to choose the right cycle for your needs. The normal cycle is an eco-friendly option that optimizes water usage and forgoes a drying cycle for a quick clean. The pot cycle is ideal for heavily soiled items, as well as pots and pans. The Pots, Plus, Express, and China cycles all offer ultra dry, leaving your dishes sparkling and dry. Additionally, the Fast option is available on the Pots, Plus, and China cycles, and the Sanitize option is available with the Pots and Plus cycles. To start the cycle of your choice, press the button that correlates with that cycle and press Start. No matter the cycle you choose, ensure that you close the door within 4 seconds to properly start the cycle. If you are unable to close the door within 4 seconds, the light will stop blinking and the unit will beep. Simply press Start again before closing to start the cycle. If you need to add anything after the cycle has begun, knock firmly twice on the right side of the drawer to pause the cycle and unseal the drawer. Once you've added your item, press the Start button to restart your cycle, closing the door within 4 seconds. The Delay Start function conveniently lets you run your cycle at a later time. If you hold the Start button instead of pressing it, you will hear a beep representing each hour added to the delay. The light above the clock will illuminate when Delay Start is activated. To cancel the Delay Start, hold the Start button until the Delay Start light is off. After the washing portion of the cycle is complete, the drawer will unseal. At this time, you can remove your dishes from the drawer. However, we recommend waiting until the dry cycle is complete. If you open the drawer during the drying cycle, the fan will restart once the drawer is closed. When the cycle is complete, a tone will sound. If you're connected to the app, you'll receive a push notification on your phone. This beautiful drawer was designed to seamlessly blend into your clean aesthetic, so there's no external notification. It's important to download the Smart HQ app to ensure you receive live notifications. Within the app, you can control product settings, notifications, and Sabbath mode. Software updates within the app will continue to improve performance over time. For more detailed information, please check your use and care guide or our other helpful dishwasher drawer videos. You can also visit cafeappliances.com.